guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have a box called Kid Wonder and it is for kids. It's for kids ages 3 to 6. Mine are 5 and 7, but they still got a huge kick out of this box and had a ton of fun with it. In this box there are 5 different activities and they all have their own little cards. There was Dress Like an Astronaut, where you make your own astronaut backpack, which is really cute. And then an astronaut puppet show, where you can put on your own puppet show. There's Train Like an Astronaut, that had a list of exercises, and we went outside and I had the kids do their training. And then there's Let's Discover the Stars, which was a telescope that they painted, and it wasn't an actual telescope, it just looked like one, but for them it's fun to just, you know, be like a little spy tube, essentially. And then Design a Space Shuttle out of this clay. That one was a little more difficult, and I feel like I probably should have stepped in and helped them with that, but they did a pretty good job. We kind of laughed that it looked like a turtle, but you know, that's okay. So this box is $30 a month. You can either buy one off, and they have a gift shop that has a ton of different boxes, and they come out with new themes every month, or you can subscribe and you get a new box every month. You can also add on a second kid for only $10. So they basically just include more of the same stuff in one box, enough that 2 kids can do it. So I think this is an amazing box. Ours is the space one, but they have lots of different themes. Let's see, they have a Crime Stoppers one, Animal Hospital, Medieval Times, Pirates and Mermaids, Wilderness Explorers. I mean, it just goes on, and every month is a new theme. I think this would be the most amazing gift for a kid because it's something that's unique and they can continue to play with and create and go into that wonderful world of imagination, which I think is so important for kids. And you know, just to get it every month or just one box, I don't know. My kids loved it, and I can't imagine any kid that wouldn't love this sort of hands-on creativity and learning experience. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!